How to stop redirects in Google Chrome web browser. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First, open Google Chrome browser on your desktop. Now click on three dots at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down. Now click on Settings. On the Settings menu, click Privacy and Security from the left panel. Scroll down. Now choose Site Settings and click on it. Scroll down. Look for the option of pop-up and redirect, which is under Content. Click on it. Now here, you need to choose Default Behavior section and then make sure that you turn the button on for Don't Allow Sites to Send, Pop-up and use the redirects. And once you do that, you will successfully stop redirects in Google Chrome web browser. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.